What's good, my people? What's up, everyone? You're most welcome back to the channel, and I remain a guy, Mr. Kenyi. And guys, in today's video, I'm right here in the street of Gaziantep. And what I'm actually doing in this video is just I want to talk to you guys about the reasons as to why I have not been posting a lot in my channel these days. And of course, I've been quiet for some times now. I've been quiet for so long without posting any video on my channel. But today I'm here to talk to you guys about it. And one of the reasons as to why I have not been posting a lot on this channel is actually that, I wasn't feeling well. I've been very sick, and so I decided to, take a break. I decided to quit YouTube to go and, focus on my health, to treat myself so that I become better. And today I'm 100% okay, you understand? So also, the second reason as to why I have not been posting a lot on this channel is that, I was not having, good equipment for my channel. I was not having a good camera. I was not having, a good microphone. I quitted also to go and look for these things. So currently, I got everything, as you guys can see, right from the camera. I have a good camera, and also from the audio, I have gotten myself a new microphone, and I'm really very excited to be back. And from today onwards, I will be uploading videos always on this channel, you understand? So if you don't want to miss any of my video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you will not miss any video. And if there is anything that you want to know about Gaziantep city, or there is a video that you want me to do about this city here, because currently I'm in Gaziantep. You guys can see it right over there. This is the street of Gaziantep, you understand? So this video is about the reason as to why I quitted YouTube. And also, from today onward, I'll be making a lot of videos and posting them on my channel, guys. So make sure you hit the subscription button. And if you have already subscribed to the channel, I really do appreciate you guys so much for being part of the family. Make sure you share the video. And if it's your first time to, watch a video from this channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will really appreciate you so much. If there's a video you want me to make about Gaziantep, or there's a place in Gaziantep that you want to visit and you don't know anything about it, just let me know in the comment section so that I will answer it with a new video for you guys. And also, to add on that, if you want to visit Gaziantep and you don't know any places here, I'll be touring around the city. I'll be going around to different places, eating different types of food here, and also interacting with the local people of Gaziantep. So if you want to know more about Gaziantep, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. And if you want to know more about Turkey, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I will be traveling around here. You understand? I will be traveling to different cities, and I will also be going, outside to other countries around the world. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and be part of the family so that you will not miss any of my video in the future. And thank you guys so much. Stay blessed. May God bless you.